Hi there, my name is Ashley Washington and I own Flowers by Siobhan Florist in Manchester, England with my wife Siobhan. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to make a buttonhole, boutonniere, however you want to call it. It's one of the quickest, simplest and easiest things you can do as a florist. I've got an avalanche rose, some pistache greenery and some hypericum berries. Some florist wire, some scissors, some stem tape. Let's not mess about, let's get stuck into this. Avalanche rose, strip the barrier leaves, get your wire, florist wire, just stick it up slightly into the head of it, just to give it a bit more support. Get your florist tape, your stem tape. Try not to snap it, let's get this right. Wrap it round. The reason that you do this, it just gives it a bit of extra support. If the stem snaps anywhere, the wire is supporting it. Get some of your foliage, strip the stems off, a little bit more florist wire, give it a snip. Let's wire this stem. I'm just going to get it, bend it round, wrap it round. Add that to it, to the back of it, just a bit of foliage, tape it again. So I'll process this, but I promise you it's easy once you know how to do it. Get your speed up, you'll be knocking them out in no time. Tape it, some hypericum berry, some hypericum, get it. There's the wire, again. Get it, bend your wire up, wrap it round. I'm going to add this to the front there, just to give it a bit of colour. Oh, snapped. I love the taste of stem tape in the morning. Wrap it round, wrap it round, wrap it round. 2 to 3 inches long, snip, pin, in, buttonhole done. Nice and easy. Anyone can do that. Thanks for watching.